So, what is your name and what is the start?
Okay, my name is John Mountain. I'm the shop manager at Drifter's Garage. We're up in Escondido by the auto park. This one is kind of unique. It's the only one in the world that we know of like it. It is a 1970 C40 dump truck that is actually made out of 4 different vehicles. The cab on this one is all C40. It's all original. We did a lot of neat little trick stuff. This tub for the window or the headlights is typically just solid gray. We designed it so that it would be chromed out and then painted the same body style. It made it a lot more unique that way. It's got a 2007 LBZ Duramax diesel, turbo diesel. It's electronically limited to 440 horsepower, 935 foot-pounds of torque. It is wicked fast, and you can squeal the back wheels and smoke it and do donuts. But each tire on the back is about $1,400, so it's a little bit on the expensive side to do that with. Everything on the truck was done within our shop. If you look at the interior, it is all one-off custom. The seats are done by Glide Technologies. The glove box is only about big enough for registration because that's where the compressor and the evaporator and all this stuff is. Long and the short of it is, to hide it, we had to put it behind the glove box. We do a lot of neat little things.
So you said you built it out of 4 cars. What were those 4 cars?
Okay, the first one was a wrecked 2007 C2500. The chassis is actually off of a P30 motorhome. To make the Duramax fit, you'd have to widen a C40 frame. And then you can move the back wherever you want it and make it whatever width or length. And the other end of the deal, we kind of like doing the interior of the bed and the Raptor liner that actually matches the paint color. It's just a nice little touch, but it makes the truck look a little more clean.
Can we check out the interior?
Absolutely, you do whatever you like for the most part. And one of the really neat features, Eric at Old Town Upholstery designed the interior. The Glide Technology seats, the bottoms lift up, the backs fold down. You still have a lot of storage in this thing, even though we sacrificed the glove box.
You mind starting it up?
No.
That's really nice.
Well, this one was the bus, his design parameters. If we could take with all the 2020 parts to the 1970 assembly line, what would Chevy do, and then improve on what Chevy would have done. Those fender flares here in the back, the blanks are actually 13 separate pieces of metal, and then they get hand rolled out to match.
Well, nice to meet you.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you so much.